Hello, I'm Neil Screeton, owner of Screetons Limited Chartered Accountants. As any accountant or tax advisor will tell you, tax never really stays still. So today I'm going to introduce a few developments in the tax world which affect small businesses. Firstly, in the budget earlier this year, the Chancellor very quietly announced that the standard HM Revenue and Customs mileage rate was going to be increased from 40p to 45p for the first 10,000 miles. This is the first increase has been for many years, so it's really quite big news for people who use the fixed profit car scheme. After the first 10,000 miles, the rate remains at 25p for all additional mileage. Now, as well as being relevant to self-employed people with their own limited companies, it's also worth bearing in mind if you're an employee, just to check what rate your employer is paying you, because if they're paying you below the official rate, you can always make a claim via a tax return for the difference between the rate you're being paid and the official rate, possibly get yourself a tax refund. Another development was with furnished holiday lettings. Now, anybody who has a furnished holiday let knows that in order to qualify there are certain criteria that have to be met in order to get the tax advantages that go with furnished holiday letting status. Now, Revenue and Customs have said that they're going to change this from April 2012, and what they're going to do is they're going to increase the minimum period for which a property must be available to let to the public from 140 days a year to 210 days a year, and also they're going to increase the minimum period for the property actually being let from 70 days a year to 110 days a year. Obviously, if you want to get the capital gains tax and income tax advantages available to furnished holiday lets, you've got to make sure that you meet these minimum requirements, or your property will simply become a rental property and you'll lose the advantages, which in some cases can be quite a hit in terms of tax. Finally, after 2 or 3 years of promoting their online VAT filing services, HM Revenue and Customs are finally, from April 2012, making it compulsory to file your VAT return online. Now, we're going to be doing a future video presentation on VAT online filings, so watch out for that. If you've got any questions arising from anything that you've seen in the video, please give me a call, 01827 715 264, email me at info@screetons.co.uk, or visit the website www.screetons.co.uk.